900,000. That's the target amount of Jamaicans the government wants inoculated with COVID vaccines before October 2021. Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Tufton says the relevant doses are scheduled for delivery over the next 2 months. He was speaking at a virtual press brief recently. Simone Absalom Gayle reports.
The Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Tufton, says the vaccination process has been slower than expected.
Our vaccination implementation program is focusing on some 65% of our population in order to achieve the levels of protection that we would like as a critical response. And as of Sunday, July 25th, we had administered 302,856 doses, 174,444 first dose, and 123,848 second dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine.
Dr. Tufton is optimistic that the pace of inoculation will change with the delivery of 1.4 million doses of vaccines over the next few months. And
in some instances, those vaccines will be single dose. So the Johnson & Johnson, we anticipate some 393,000 doses between that time. So 393,000 Jamaicans can access as a single dose over the next few months. And we are fairly confident that the first shipment will arrive within the next week and a half or so, which will be about 168,000. We expect also from the US a number approximating 614,000. That's a double dose brand, so you'll get your first and then your second with a 4-week interval. And those discussions are ongoing. Again, we expect during that period of time. From the COVAX facility, the facility we have gotten most of our vaccines to date, we expect an additional 100,620. And this will be the Pfizer brand through COVAX, double dose with a 4-week interval.
He says the government is collaborating with the UK to procure 300,000 AstraZeneca vaccines this week. The health minister says once the program rolls out, he's expecting a 50% coverage of the target population.
It's an ambitious target, but I believe with the support of the population and all of society, the Prime Minister I know will speak more to that, we can achieve that target. And if we set our minds to it and we make the effort and we get Jamaicans of all ages who qualify, so 18 years and over, starting when the first shipment arrives, we will open up to all who qualify.
He also addressed concerns regarding the possibility of the presence of the Delta variant of the coronavirus.
We continue to send tests abroad to determine on strains that are more novel than the original strain. In other words, they spread more rapidly. And the strain of concern clearly is the Delta variant. And we have been testing for this strain. It's now in over 100 countries, particularly in countries that we move to and from fairly frequently, whether as locals or as tourists. In the US, the Delta variant accounts for some 80% of new cases, while in the UK, some 95%. To date, however, we have not seen any Delta strain here. We have sent over 380 samples for genetic sequencing and continue to do so. We have found other strains, but not this particular one. I will say, however, that more recent samples have been sent, are yet to be sent back. And while we do, well, I say let us assume it is here because it will be difficult to avoid, frankly speaking, with the movement of people from destinations where the strain is dominant, but we are yet to confirm the Delta strain.
Since the start of the pandemic, there have been several variants of the coronavirus, but according to scientists, the Delta variant seems to be the fastest and most formidable version of the coronavirus that causes COVID-19. For the news on PBCJ, I'm Simone Absalom Gayle.